Hello, in this video I will be sharing the package insert information of a medication called Naproxen. If you find the video helpful, you can support the channel by liking the video, subscribing and turning on notifications. What is Naproxen? Naproxen is a medicine that belongs to the group of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Naproxen contains the active ingredient Naproxen and is used to treat inflammation, pain and fever. Naproxen is used in the treatment of inflammatory rheumatic diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis and ankylosing spondylitis, musculoskeletal pain, menstrual cramps, dysmenorrhea, acute gout attacks, lower back, neck and shoulder pain, toothache and headache. How to use Naproxen. You should always use this medication as prescribed by your doctor. In adults, the usual starting dose is 500 mg twice a day, a total of 1,000 mg per day. It is recommended to take the tablets with or after food to reduce stomach discomfort. The tablets should be swallowed with plenty of water. What should you be careful about while using Naproxen? Some individuals with asthma may experience allergic reactions while using Naproxen. People with a history of stomach ulcers, bleeding risk, liver or kidney failure should use it cautiously. It should not be used during the last 3 months of pregnancy. It should not be taken together with other painkillers. During long-term use, blood, liver and kidney function tests should be monitored. Naproxen may interact with other drugs. It should not be used with aspirin or other NSAIDs. It may interact with medications such as blood thinners, warfarin, lithium and methotrexate. It may reduce the effectiveness of diuretics and certain blood pressure medications. Possible side effects of Naproxen. Common side effects include nausea, indigestion, abdominal pain, dizziness, headache, diarrhea or constipation. Serious side effects include stomach or intestinal bleeding, black stool, bloody vomit, allergic reactions, skin rash, shortness of breath, swelling of the face, liver function disorders. If you experience any of these serious symptoms, seek immediate medical attention. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Feel free to leave your questions in the comments. Wishing you a healthy day.